When exploring ideas around narrative, it can be really useful to construct your own books. And in this very simple 10-minute presentation, I want to give you 2 ways in which you can produce a 1-page book. Number 1 requires you to fold a piece of paper into half and then half again, producing a series of 8 small pages, the centre of which you then cut, and you can see this short demonstration as follows.
Take a sheet of A4 paper and fold it in half. Open it up and then fold it in half in this direction. Then fold each section in half again. You can do this with any size of paper, to be honest. Now that you've made the piece of paper divided into 8 boxes, take a ruler and a scalpel, and you want to cut through the middle section. So that what you have is a hole in the middle. If you now pinch that section outwards and pinch that section outwards, you fold this in half and you bring this round on yourself. You've made a small 1-page book. Now that's your front cover, that's your inside panels, etc. If you open the book up and make a note of the page numbers, and you then flatten it back out again, that tells you the sequence of the pages in your book. And that's a really simple way of creating a 1-page book.
Another version of the 1-page book is slightly different. In this instance, you're folding the piece of paper initially into thirds, and then again you're dividing it in thirds in the opposite direction. Once you've done that, you're then going to cut the paper where these black lines are, and all the other lines represent folds. You can see this in demonstration.
You take a piece of paper, in this instance an A4 piece of paper, and you fold it into thirds. Then you fold it in half, and then you fold each section again in half. What you then do is you take your ruler and scalpel and you cut along here but stop at this point, and then you cut along here and you stop at this point. So it's like you've made a kind of S shape. What you can now do is start to fold that up so that you've made almost like a concertina book. If you take the final page and you fold over the corner, you fold over the corner, so you've made like a little point, and on the first page you cut a slot you can then fold over the last page and insert that point through the slot, and you've then made a kind of cover for your book. So you now have a front page and internal pages. Again, if you can then number that, and obviously when you open that up, that tells you the sequence of your pages. And this is particularly useful, obviously, if you're then trying to design the book in something like InDesign.
And it's as simple as that.